Hotel. Thank you again, Serena. Warmest regards, Manny Delgado.
He's sending flowers to the concierge.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, credit card.
She wore you down, didn't she?
This is not about Claire. I really want to sell you the car.
It's sad. She got you to believe that.
No, turns out I'm just not a convertible guy.
Well, your loss is my gain. It's a sweet ride, Phil.
Right?
It really is. Oh. Uh-oh.
What?
I'm getting like a whiff of mildew.
I don't smell anything.
Yep, that's mildew. This car's been in the flood. It's a Katrina car. I'm offended that you tried to sell me a Katrina car, Phil.
Your wife won't show a convertible, will she?
You will never know, because I'm afraid to ask. See you later, Phil.
Why are you running?
Well, why don't we start with a test drive? I'll get the keys.
Sounds good. Right where I want him.
Come here, Phil, look at this. This thing warns you if you deviate from your lane. My car, that's my wife. Andre, you try to kill me, I swear I will kill you.
Well, I guess this is what I'll be driving for the next...
Please, 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 please. Okay, what is this? I'm making sure I'm tall enough to ride all the rides at Disneyland without having to spike up my